Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Minecraftians of YouTube here. This is Survival Sunday, episode 6 or 7, I believe. And basically all I did this week was this ship. I kept working on the ship. Basically that's all I did. Hold on. You know how on like pirate ships they have like the mermaid on the front? Well, it's gonna be the Luigi ship. Luigi Shrine. That's not even Luigi. That's some random guy. And there you go. So basically, soon to come, hopefully, if I buy it, if I get around to buying it, going to have Bandicam. It's an HD camera software that records the whole screen right on to the computer. So yeah, look forward to HD videos in the future, hopefully. And that's all. Bye, guys.